welcome back to another workout with me. It's Friday, so we are going to do a short, sharp and sweet workout for you today. So this cardio focused workout comprises of 7 separate moves, 30 seconds on, 15 seconds of rest, and we repeat the circuit twice through. For this workout, you do not need any equipment. You just need to make sure that you've got that energy level to get you going through this workout. Grab a mat, get some space, and let's get going. Here we have standing toe touch, where you bring your opposing foot to reach your opposing hand. You will contract the abs as you do this move, and there may be some slight elevation of the foot, so try and maintain balance throughout.
I was walking down the street and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me. I'm in your thoughts, and all you want is to lay down with me.
For the 2-point skater, bring your opposing hand to your opposing foot as you switch from side to side. If you struggle with balance, you can put the foot behind you onto the ground as well.
I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
So starting with the same arm as the standing front leg, you're going to do 4 cross jabs, 2 hooks, and then switch feet to start again.
Down the street, and you were there staring at me, standing there as if we should meet, and I knew with you it'd be easy. I've touched your soul, and then I knew you'd run away with me.
For the low side lunge, you are trying to keep nice and low throughout the movement as you shift from side to side to allow your hand to reach the opposing foot.
I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one. I will be the one, I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
This move has a nice rhythm to it. It's skip, step, skip, step, skip, step. Keep that rhythm throughout the whole move.
I will be the one, I will be the one for you.
Here we have a standing crunch combo. You're going to bring the same arm to the same leg and then crunch the opposing arm to the opposing leg. drive, contract your abs as you bring your knee up high to meet your hands, and then bring your knee across your body so you can switch side. workout today. I really hope you enjoyed it and that you really felt the sweat, even though it was only 10 minutes long. It shows that you can get a really good burn in just a short space of time. Please make sure that you do give this video a like, hit any comments in the section below about what you'd like to see in future videos, whether that is me talking at you or whether that's another workout, completely up to you. If you haven't already, please do subscribe and also hit that notification bell so you know every Tuesday and Friday when we have got new workouts. And again, make sure that you do head over to Instagram because we do have workouts Monday through Friday for you to keep you busy and keep you active. But for me, it's bye for now.
Out of bounds, if you're waiting for me. Out of bounds.